Alright, last time on the Ouray Uncompahgre Riverwalk at dusk. That looks better. Get a bit of a river here. Let me zoom out. There's the bridge. Way across. Mountains back up towards town. Hotel over there. And the path. Just a few seconds. Townhomes over there. Mountain. Right, more of the river. On the Riverwalk. Some mountains up there. Sound of the water is nice. More mountains. The trail we came down. And the river again. And the trail going forward. Alright, this is two waterfalls that I've been shooting here this evening. It's on Saturday, on September the 8th, 2012 at 6:38 local time. So, that's the waterfalls. Let's see, give you a treat while we're sitting here. There's the mountains and zoom out. See if we can get some sky in here. There we go. How's that look? Pretty nice, huh? Let's see if we can get this. Let's see if we can get these right up here. There you go. And that's it. Alright, cabin up on the mountain. That appears to be the only way up there. And the walk and the bridge down there for the turnaround point. And here we're on the bridge. There's the river. The river and mountains. As you can see, just the tip of that mountain is lit up gold. Sun's getting pretty low. And over here, see a little bit more of it right there. Which there's the river. And here's the river going away. So the other side of the bridge, obviously. And you can look out there and see the mountains out that way. See about some of them because they're a lot lower. That's the river. Alright, this is part of an old mine. And I shoot there. And over here is a cabin. And over here's a thing to work with. Let's see, right there. And then way up in there. There's more of the Riverwalk. River there. And up here, it's a gorgeous house that's just sitting completely and totally empty. Not for sale or nothing else. And the thing is huge. Got a big old porch on it. I'll zoom in. You can see it's very nice and it's very large. It's a 3-car garage right there, in fact. And then of course you can see the evening setting in on us here. The clouds, look at all that orange. That's pretty. And of course the mountains. More of the trail up through there as we go.
Almost heaven, West Virginia.